How to test an automotive electrical circuit step by step. This lesson shows how to approach circuit testing. It becomes guesswork when voltage, ground, continuity, and load checks are not sequenced correctly. Show source, protection, control, load, and return path. What a circuit needs to work. A circuit test path proves source, load, path, and return in order. Track supply through protection and into the load. Power source and fuse. Load behavior. Source voltage. A circuit test path proves source, load, path, and return in order. Separate command control from high current load behavior. Relay control side versus load side. Module command. Load response. A circuit test path proves source, load, path, and return in order. Start with normal operation. Define expected operation. Load behavior. Ground return path. Commanded state. Before diagnosing a fault, define what the circuit or data should do when the system is healthy. This gives every later measurement a target, so the technician is not just looking for a number, but looking for behavior that matches the system design. Compare broken path and unwanted path faults. Open circuit versus short circuit. A circuit test path proves source, load, path, and return in order. Show resistance that only appears while current flows. Voltage drop under load. Source voltage, load voltage, high resistance. A circuit test path proves source, load, path, and return. Show why an unloaded continuity check can mislead. Continuity limitations. A circuit test path proves source, load, path, and return in order. Build the test path in order. Step 1, read the diagram. Step 2, verify power. Step 3, verify ground. Step 4, load the circuit. Step 5, measure drop. Step 6, check unwanted continuity. This sequence turns the lesson into proof instead of guesswork. Do not replace the sensor yet. The takeaway is to prove power, ground, signal, and scan data first. If those checks agree with the expected behavior, then the sensor becomes a stronger suspect. If they do not agree, the circuit or data path is still the story. Step Diagnostics. Guided Automotive Diagnostics.